Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a card using the beautiful new Ornate style bundle. Now this bundle is part of the Ornate Garden suite, which is in the new annual catalog coming out on June 3rd. But the whole Ornate Garden suite is available right now. You don't even have to wait till June 3rd. The suite includes 2 gorgeous stamp and die bundles, one of which we're going to use today. There's some absolutely stunning specialty designer series paper, which has got gold foil accents on it. Look at that. It also includes an embossing folder, a ribbon combo pack, and beautiful gold gilded gem embellishments. So the measurements for our card today are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a little teeny piece of DSP, which is cut to 2 by 4 inches. I've got cardstock measuring 4 by 4 inches. I've got a little bit of scrap cardstock that I'm going to be using for die cutting, and a little teeny piece of white which measures 1 by 2.5 inches. So I'm going to start by using one of these beautiful ornate dies to cut one of the edges of this cardstock piece. I'm going to line it up like this and create a border along the bottom of that cardstock. And I'm also going to use, on the same piece of cardstock, I'm going to change up the layers on my machine and run it through again with this beautiful embossing folder that comes with the Ornate Garden suite as well. So the other piece of die cutting I need to do is to use another one of these wonderful die cuts to cut out a frame on this cardstock piece. And then that's going to end up framing this little white piece. Now I'm ready to stamp a little flower, this little flower right here, onto the white rectangle, and then do a little bit of coloring with my blends. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can get all the details on Zoom virtual crafting sessions, class by mail options, and much, much more by subscribing to the monthly newsletter. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!